Use the mountain method to round 2.1349 to the nearest hundredth. Okay, so the hundredth is, the three is in the hundredth place there. So I'm going to draw a number line and I'm going to do the hundredth below and the hundredth above. So I have 2.13 and 2.14. Okay, so the hundredth below 2.1349 and above 2.1349. And then halfway between those two would be 2.135. Okay, and I'm going to make a mountain with that as the peak. Okay, and then 2.1349 is just a little bit to the left of 2.135. So if I put a ball up on the mountain, it's going to roll down to 2.13. So that is rounding to the nearest hundredth using the mountain method. Now I'm just going to use any method I want to round 5,382 to the nearest 10. So I want to I'm underlining the tens place. Look at the place to the right, which is an 8, which is bigger than 5. So I round up to, that would be the nearest 100, sorry, 5,400. Okay, and then if I want to round to the nearest 10, I'm going to underline the tens place this time. That's an 8. Look to the number to the right, which is a 2, smaller than 5, so that rounds down to 8. So 5380.